Confused by convection, air roast, or smart finish on your Ninja double oven? Each mode changes how the fan and heat work, and smart finish coordinates both ovens so food comes out together. Here's what each one really does. Mode 1. Convection bake for even bakes. Convection bake uses the fan at a gentle speed with steady heat from top and bottom. It's best for cakes, cookies, casseroles, and anything that needs even heating without drying out. Mode 2. Air roast for higher fan speed and crisp edges. Air roast pushes hotter air with a stronger fan cycle. It cooks faster and browns more aggressively, making it ideal for vegetables, sheet pan dinners, and proteins where you want a crisp finish. Mode 3. Smart finish for syncing top and bottom ovens. Smart finish lines up two different functions so both ovens finish at the same time. If you're roasting vegetables below and baking chicken above, smart finish holds one oven in hold until the other catches up. Then it ends both cycles together. Tip 1. Use the right pans for airflow. Air roast and convection modes work best when food is lifted for airflow. Use the air fry basket or a roast tray on the sheet pan. I've linked the roast tray I use in the description. It keeps food elevated so the fan can crisp evenly. Tip 2. Don't mix modes by accident. If you want both ovens to run exactly the same, skip Smart Finish and set them individually. Smart Finish is only for when you want two different functions to finish at the same time. If this helped you understand the modes and make better choices, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a roast tray, I've linked the one I use below. It lifts food for better airflow and consistent crisping. Thanks for watching, and cook smarter, not harder.